Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and display the inventory quantity on a product page on Shopify. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now, once inside your shop right here, you could just go ahead and proceed by browsing through the sales channel. And inside, just go ahead and click on online store. Now inside online store, you will go ahead and see additional menu will pop up. You will have to go ahead and click on themes, and inside themes you have to go ahead and click on customize. It's this button right here, and it will take you to the customization page. Inside you're gonna see the homepage button. You will always go ahead and see this at the top of your screen, so just go ahead and click on it. And inside you want to go ahead and click on products, and this is my product right here, the default product. So I'll just go ahead and click on it, and it will take me to my test product right here. Now I've already laid out the price, the name, and such. And to go ahead and display the quantity of this specific product, you have to go ahead and browse through the templates right here, product information, and we have a bunch of presets. We have our tags, title, price, variant, picker, and more. You have to go ahead and click on add block, and inside add block you will go ahead and see the inventory status. You have to go ahead and click on it, and as of right now, the inventory status of this current product is out of stock because the quantity that I've put it is at 0. So when you go ahead and edit out your storage for this specific product right here, you will go ahead and see the inventory status change. Now to proceed, you want to go ahead and click on save, and in that way you will be able to display the inventory quantity on a product page on Shopify. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.